do that, man, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. She says that I ain't like that, but I swear this ain't no fake gut. Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. Give me a second real quick. Clean these glasses off. Cuts by Reggie back with another video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please be sure you subscribe. Like the videos if you like the videos, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today we are here with a quick review. We're just going to talk about a new shaver from Stylecraft, and it is the Flex shaver. I want to say this this shaver is I was about to say $9.99, which would be crazy. When y'all be talking about prices, if there was a clipper $9.99, I'd probably still buy it. I just have to save up some money. But if it was, anyway, it's $99.95 on their website. Of course, you can use my discount code, save you a couple dollars if you want to buy it. All right, this is part of their super torque motor realm of items that they have, including the Flex the trimmer. If y'all been following me for a while, y'all know that is the trimmer. That's one of my go-tos at the moment. I have been seeing some other trimmers that's fighting back, but that's another story. But this is their shaver for that. And I think, did I do an unboxing? Either way. So either way, when you get the box, of course it opened up the same way that all of their stuff do. It got the little information on the front, which is their dual locking function. So which their dual locking function is, y'all know how shavers have, or items have, travel locks, right? So you hold it for a few seconds, right? Now you can't turn it on, right? It can't come on. Hold it for 2 seconds. Now we back on. But with this, you can also, while it's on, hold it for 2 seconds. Now you can't turn it off and all that stuff, which the travel lock while it's off, it makes sense, right? The lock while it's on, I guess it's a cool feature. Maybe you won't press the button while you're shaving, or you won't turn it up and down while you're shaving, because it has 3 different settings. We'll talk about the settings in a minute. But you know, it's cool. It's good to have when it's off. Having it while it's on, I guess it's cool, right? It has a USB-C charger, which you can also use their charging dock. I have a charging dock somewhere that you get with the Uno shaver, where you can the USB charging dock. 2 hours of run time, super torque motor. They got the LED display. It gets up to 9,000 RPM, but again, it has three different levels. So it's a 6,000, 7,000, 9,000 RPM. And the reason they don't say this, or I don't, but it's good to have those different ranges of RPM. The faster it go, of course, for one, it's going to drain your battery a little quicker. It can get hot faster, but it also cuts a little quicker. So for sensitive skin, and maybe that bumps up fast, it gets red, you can turn it down to the 6,000 RPM, and it's a little quieter. You turn it down to the 6,000 RPM, go against the skin, and maybe prevent having those extra bumps and stuff that pops up. Again, got the dual locking, the dual travel lock LCD screen, the curve ergonomic, the premium titanium, all that good stuff. All right. So when you open the box, of course, you get the USB, which is the regular USB, and again, you do get the USB-C. I got so many things that's using USB-C right now. I like that for the simple fact that I can just use one cord for everything. One of the problems that I have with everything going to USB-C is not all of them are having the fast charging intertwined, right? So it's cool because now you can just use the USB-C, but sometimes the fast charging inside the port is not there for some stuff, right? But anyway, this is the Flex shaver. Small, compact. As you can see, it got that different design, which the design of it looks cool, right? It looks fine to me when you're looking at it on pictures and stuff like that. It looks different. I'm not a fan of that curved design. It's just certain spots, like it's cool, but it's like I would rather have a shaver with a swivel head instead of saying you can change it different directions. I just don't like, but when you place your finger here, it holds pretty good. But sometimes I'm just, with all these designs, the T design and all that stuff, I just always travel back to the box shaver. I have been using this one a little bit, so that's the Babyliss, the T, and it got a little swivel on it. But I'm not too big on the design of it, right? That's just me. Some will like it. I'm not really a fan of it. Power. It's loud. So that's the 6,000 RPM, 7,000, 9,000. Of course, in here, your battery life and everything is there. And it do have the 2 foils, and then it got the cutter in the center. So it's a cool design, nice little print on the back. I don't know how I feel about it. I really don't. It cuts. It's cool. That it's okay, right? And it cuts. It's been able to mow down some hair. But I've had shavers that cut closer. Even their Rebel is a little bit stronger, a little bit better in my opinion. And maybe it's the style of it. Maybe it's the body of it. This is $99 on their website. Does it work? Yes, right? Going against the skin, and of course on the sensitive skin, you are able to turn that RPM down, that power down, and kind of help with the bumps and stuff. I don't know how I feel about it. All right, it's cool to have the LCD screen, and it looks nice. But sometimes when you, and this is just my opinion, some other people might use this, and to them it might be one of the best shavers out there. But my main question is, how does it perform? Is it worth the buy? Coming in at $99, the price is not the problem. It's not one of those products that's overpriced. The only thing about that is there are better products on the market at either a similar price or a lower price. And even Stylecraft have a better shaver at, I think the Rebel shaver is like $85 or $89, so that's $15 off. And then you also have the FX3 from Babyliss that's $99 that outperforms this one with no question, right? So I mean, if you're looking for a shaver, I say you can give it a try. Use my discount code. But again, if you have a shaver that's getting the job done, this is not one of those ones that I would say go ahead and rush to. I say it's a decent buy if you're in the look for a shaver, but honestly, my opinion, I would say get the Rebel shaver from Stylecraft. It's still a Stylecraft product if you want to support Stylecraft, and if you want to use my discount code, get the Rebel shaver. Or if you want to get outside of Stylecraft, outside of the brand, I say the Babyliss FX3. That's still one of my go-to trimmers. I mean, it's only one setting, so it's nothing. I mean, it's nothing like this. And I know it's the futuristic look and everything that a lot of people have been drawn to, and it looks good. It feels good. That design for me, I just don't. Now, that's one thing. For personal use, holding it in those different directions might be better. But when you're on a client, that curve kind of don't work into your favorite, and that's just my opinion. I would rather you get a T style with a swivel head, or get a regular block shaver that gets the job done. It's just my opinion. Please don't shoot the messenger. But yeah, that is my first impressions, little review of the Flex shaver from Stylecraft. Yeah. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will be back with another review, another tutorial, another unboxing, something. We'll be back. Peace.